right, guys, I'm not going to waste your time here. Get straight to the point. Listen up. This guy's quoting right now $1,800 just for a landing page design. And then on top of that, another guy's quoting me $875 just for the copy. Let me just rewind back to that. All right, guys, this is real stuff right here. $1,800 just for a landing page design, and another $875 just for the copy, guys. That's ridiculous. Why would you ever want to spend $1,800 and have $875 just for one landing page design? And you don't even know if that's going to convert. How can you possibly know? Well, I got something for you. If you've been quoted $1,000 for a landing page design, stop there right now and check out this. Funnel Hacker Lab, we have over 200 different landing page designs in over 60 different niches, guys. And on top of that, if you join Funnel Copier today, you're inserted right into our Funnel Hacker Lab group. That being said, once you're in my little Facebook group, if you have a specific landing page or for a specific niche that you need, just post it there and we'll more than gladly make it that next landing page. Just because we're hustlers too, and we want you to become our next testimonial. That being said, guys, as soon as you join that group, as soon as you, let's say you don't find the right template in here. Let's say maybe you don't like one of our templates in here, but these are already proven to convert. But let's say for some reason you don't like the templates that we have in here. Post that link, post a type of template that you want in our group, and we'll more than gladly make it for you. Because like I said, we want you to become our next testimonial, and we hustle for you. So really quickly, just scroll down over here, show you a couple of the niches and a couple of landing pages that we have. Like over here, credit repair, construction, webinar, chiropractic, attorney, lead funnels, accounting and finance, fitness, agency, dental, application funnels, website funnels, portfolio, high ticket, dance, tripwire, ebook, supplement, cosmetic, lead funnels, coaching, consulting, appearance, software, real estate, insurance, a bakery. And we are always, every week, we literally add every week 10, anywhere between 5 and 10 funnels per week based upon your response. So like I said, guys, if you want a certain type of funnel, if you want a certain type of landing page, we're hustlers just like you. And by joining the Funnel Hacker Lab team, you join our team of hustlers. We want to make your next testimonial. So click that link down below. If you have any questions, click the little messenger icon, the little blue icon on the bottom of the screen. Click the little messenger icon. Ask us a question. Ask us if we have that specific landing page for you. Chances are we do, but always ask us if you want this to work for you. Or just join the team right now, guys. Click the little landing page. Click that little button down below, because for a limited time only, we're offering this entire membership for half the price, guys. For half the price we normally sell it. So that being said, guys, make sure you click that link down below. Either talk with us, ask us a question, or just join Funnel Hacker Lab today, guys. I'll talk to you later. Peace out, guys.